Coming out of the Swiss round of the MXGP World, we have an update from Tim Gajser about his injury, posting on his Instagram saying, quote, "A tough day in the office. Today did not go to plan. Early in Moto 2, a small mistake became a disaster after catching a mound off dirt close to the edge of the track. I am very frustrated with how it turned out, and you cannot help but feel it could have been avoided. After initially being treated trackside, I was forced to wait 30 minutes with unknown injuries and in a lot of pain. After finally making it to the medical center, x-rays were clear, but my shoulder was dislocated the whole time. I hope this incident is the last of its kind, as our sport is dangerous enough without additional hazards so close to the track." Obviously, he's talking about, you can see there's a little mound apparently that they put on the side of the track to stop people from cutting corners or cutting the track, and that's what his back tire caught. Ended up bucking him and slammed him into the ground, dislocated his shoulder, and sadly, that's it at the moment. He continued to say, "Time to head home for more checks and to start the recovery ahead of the remainder of the season. Thank you to all of my team and fans for the support and messages." Now, as far as I can see, as far as I've read, he's still leading the championship by 27 points or something like that, even with this race not earning him anything. So, pretty good cushion, you guys say, but it's one of those things, dislocated shoulder, that's going to be a problem for a while. I mean, it's just the loss of strength in your whole arm at that point, and MXGP tracks are, how we say this nicely, not smooth. So, sad to see. I mean, obviously you never want to see anybody get injured, especially when it's championship leaders running out front and something like that, just a stupid mound of dirt on the side of the track that you end up catching. I don't know, but that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below, do you watch MXGP? Are you just an American motocross and supercross fan, or are you getting into this? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.